How to remove parental controls in Epic Games. So the very first thing you want to do is to navigate to your Epic Games website. You need to make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile at the top right. Then head over to Account. It will land you on this account settings. In this page, search for a parental control menu at the top left of the screen. Once you find that menu, head over to it. This interface will appear. It will ask you for the PIN. Enter the PIN and then click on Confirm. Well, in this page, you need to disable Epic Game Payment option. Once you have disabled, now the next thing you want to do is scroll down and you also have to disable this option. Require PIN to add Epic Friends. Well, once you have disabled both of this option, the parental control option will be removed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to remove parental control on Epic Games. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for staying with us till the end.